Hello, let's talk today about the inner blocks, when you should use them, what are the benefits, and also what are the limitations. So let's jump to the script organizer and let's create one ACF block. Let's give it a title. Card, let's find some icon for it. Let's move it to widgets. And also, if you're using the inner blocks, you need to know that you need to use the advanced, and then you need to enable this for inner blocks, and let's just publish it. So we will use the div, and then we can use the theme card, and then inside we will have the image and then the title, and then we will have some content as well. Perfect. So once we know the structure, let's open the preview and let's open the fields. And here we are going to have the card. We're going to assign it right away to the block, and then card. Inside we are going to have an image. Theme image. Then we will have a theme title, and then we are going to have a theme content. Let's just fix this one and this one. Perfect. So we have the same naming convention. Let's save changes, and that's it. What we can do, actually, if you want to use the, just jump into here and then custom fields, because I have the Chrome, just a second, I have the Chrome extension to copy the code. Just okay, perfect. We can close this one. We can copy this one. And also we can copy this one. Okay, let's update it, and let's now open one page. The pages, let's create the card, publish, and let's add the card. Perfect. Just a second, let's see what's happening here. Okay. Yes. This card should have one image, and then it should be this girl name, and then let's just grab Lorem Ipsum. Okay, we can update this a little, so instead of the text we can have text area, so we have a little more space. Then for the image we can use the image ID. Perfect. And let's just copy it again. Okay. And once we update and reload, we will have the image, the title, and the content. Let's add some styling here. We can close this one. We don't need it anymore. So, oops, theme card. We can set display flex. Okay, we can add some gap. Perfect. And then we can have and we can move this inside. Let's add some spacing. I always love some spacing, so it's easier to read. Okay. And then let's just fix this image a little. We actually can close this one, and then we can add some styling to the image. Width can be like 200 pixels, and then we can have some height, 200 pixels, and then object fit, we can have cover. Perfect. And then for the title, we can just remove the top margin. Okay. Margin top 0, and you can actually add just some color, background color. This one, it's perfect. And let's add some padding as well, so we see what we are doing. Perfect. And let's now duplicate the element. And for this one, we can have another team member. Let's change the name as well. Perfect. And here is the problem. So if you want to extend this card, for example, you want that the first girl have the quote and the second one needs to have the video, like YouTube or something like that, then you need to stretch a code a lot, and then you need to go here, go to the card, and then you need to have some flexible content, but you never know what you will actually need or what you will need in the future. So the easiest way to do it is to use the InnerBlocks, and be aware if your copy from their post, they're missing a slash. So let me just do it like this: InnerBlocks and add a slash, otherwise it will not work. Also, we don't need this field anymore as well, because we can just paste the text and we can actually remove it from here as well. Save changes. And now if we go back here, if you press on the element, you will see the plus, and you can just add paragraph. Let's just copy this one. We can close this one, we don't need it. But the point is, if you need some other element, you just press slash, and here is a quote. You can just add some text for a quote. But also here, you can have paragraph, but then you can add easily YouTube video. So if you just copy this one, share, copy, then you paste the URL, you can embed it. So you can see how the InnerBlocks are valuable if you want to have some flexible content, but the limitation for is you only can have one InnerBlocks per element. You cannot have 2 or 3 or multiple blocks, because if you, for example, want to create this, just a second, columns, and here you can see that they have 3. You cannot do that with a multiple inner blocks. You can only have 1. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you will see when you start using the inner blocks how much they will help you in code reduction. Join our Facebook group and write us what more you would like to see from these tutorials. Thank you for watching, and bye.